Unlock your style. Adding burst of colors with accessories. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the fascinating world of adding vibrant colors to your images through the clever use of accessories. Whether you're a photographer, a content creator, or just someone looking to elevate their style, accessories can be your secret weapon. So, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the different types of accessories that can transform your image. From hats and scarves to bags, the possibilities are endless. These items not only add a pop of color but also bring personality and flair to your overall look. Consider starting with a neutral base, maybe a classic black or white outfit. This provides the perfect canvas for your accessories to shine. Now, let's explore how each type of accessory can play a role in enhancing your image. Hats are a fantastic way to make a bold statement. A brightly colored hat can draw attention to your face, framing it with a burst of color. Experiment with different hat styles, from fedoras to beanies, and find what complements your overall aesthetic. Next up, scarves are not only practical but also incredibly versatile. They can be worn in various ways, draped loosely, wrapped snugly, or even tied as a headband. Opt for vibrant patterns or solid colors to add that extra touch of sophistication. Now, let's talk about bag. Your bag isn't just a practical carry-all, it's a statement piece that can elevate your entire look. From bold hues to intricate patterns, choosing the right bag allows you to infuse personality and vibrancy into even the simplest outfits. Remember, the key is balance. You don't have to wear every accessory at once. Select a focal point, be it a hat, scarf, or statement piece, and let the rest of your ensemble complement that choice. Consider your surroundings when choosing accessories. Bright, bold colors may pop beautifully in outdoor settings, while subtle tones might work better in indoor environments. Experimentation is key to finding what works best for you. And there you have it, a guide on how to add color to your image with the help of accessories. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, so have fun with it. Experiment, mix and match, and let your personality shine through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more style tips. Until next time, stay colorful.